Welcome back. Today, we're continuing our work on text functions, and we'll focus on the upper, lower, and proper case functions in Power BI. These are simple to use, especially if you're already familiar with merge, split, and trim functions. Click on Get Data and select Excel Workbook. Browse your file and double-click on the workbook containing your data. Select the relevant file and click on Transform Data. Now, you'll see that some words in the dataset start with capital letters randomly, appear in all uppercase letters, are inconsistent in formatting. Since this data is not clean, we need to format it properly before using it in Power BI. Select the column you want to modify. Go to the Transform tab. Under the Text Column section, click on Format and choose Uppercase from the drop-down menu. Now, all the words in the selected column will be completely capitalized. Follow the same steps. Select the column, click on Format, then Lowercase. This will change all text to small letters. Again, go to Format, but this time select Capitalize each word. This ensures that only the first letter of each word is in uppercase, while the rest remain in lowercase. Once the text is properly formatted, the data is clean and ready to be uploaded into Power BI for further analysis. By using these simple text functions, you can ensure consistency and readability in your dataset. Try it out and enhance your data presentation.